Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unbox and review the endoscope camera. Actually, the box is already opened, and I just previously checked what this thing is. So just we are going to have a review now. You can see some of the attachment with this camera. This is some sort of attachments to keep the end of this camera straight. Uh, and there is one software CD with this camera. This thing is made in China, and I bought it previous to this whole clash things was going on. The length of this endoscope camera is 4 meters. It has a USB port as well as a mini USB, so you can attach this wire to your phone, and by using a special application you can use this camera with your mobile. So with my phone has a C type connector, so I'm not able to use this thing. So we are going to attach this to our laptop. The connecting the connector has a button to take a photo, as well as to it has a wheel section to increase or decrease the brightness of this LED. The camera has 6 LEDs. This is the icon for this application named as AMCAP demo version. So you can see the LEDs are glowing now. This thing helps when we are inserting this camera to darker places. By using the control on this connector, you can increase or decrease the brightness. You can see this way. The highest brightness is quite illuminant. So I'm going to show you a sample. So this is how this thing is working. We are now looking at the keyboard of this laptop by using the endoscope camera, and this is me. Let me do it straight. Hey guys, the big problem or the most important problem of this camera is this is a fixed focus camera. So you need to have a minimum distance in between the object and the camera in order to get a clear image. Now we're going to see one more sample here into this wire mesh. Now inside a bottle, you can insert this wire easily, or this camera easily inside a bottle or some small spaces to get a closer shots. So here we are. Now the main advantage of this thing is you can take a shots of very small places or very narrow places, but the the resolution is very bad. Also, the fixed focus is making even difficult to take some shots here. So now this is one more sample shot from this camera. This is actually daylight. You can see there is too much noise and the resolution is not that great. We are inside the fairing of Pulsar 220 now. You can see some of the parts which are used in the front fairing of this bike. By using this by using this endoscope camera, it won't be possible using the other cameras or a normal mobile phone to capture some details of the fairing or some parts where your camera cannot reach. So that is the plus point of using this. So you're gonna try to go somewhere else inside the fairing, but still the image is not that great. There's some strange lighting here. I don't know what that is. So this is actually a close shot of the sofa set, but still because of the autofocus, it is not that great. I was expecting it to be great, but it's not that good. You can get a good shot of this thing by using a phone. The next shot is inside a silencer of this bike of Pulsar 220. So I'm going to show you what's inside of the bike. By using the same camera, you can see some holes on the side. That's the muffler. But the ending is close over here, so we cannot go all the way through the silencer. Now under the front fairing of Suzuki Access 125, so we are so you can see some details over here which we could not have seen using the normal cameras. On a lighter note, just for a fun part, you can just attach the camera to your specs like this,